What if your family discovered investments worth crores but had no idea how to actually claim them? Welcome to Crystal Peak Wealth Recovery Series. We have seen this happen time and again, and here's the reality. High value recoveries aren't just about filling forms or hiring a local agent. They demand specialist handling. To help us understand why, I am joined today by Ayusha Agarwal, who has led some of India's most complex recovery cases. Ayusha, thank you for being here.
Pleasure to be here. And yes, when recovery runs in crores, the process is very different from routine cases. We're talking about regulators, courts, company registrars, and succession issues that often stretch across generations.
So, what exactly makes large recoveries so complex?
Well, there are three big reasons. Number one is obviously the scale. When the value is in crores, even a small error in paperwork can delay recovery for years. Number two is obviously the compliance. Regulators like SEBI and the Ministry of Corporate Affairs have strict requirements. Miss one and the application gets rejected. Number three is the inheritance. Often the original shareholder passed away decades ago. That means multiple heirs across different countries, sometimes even disputes.
And this is where local agents usually fall short.
Exactly. A local runner can collect forms or make submissions. But for large recoveries, that's not enough. You need professionals who understand both finance and law and who can manage cross-border documentation, regulatory compliance, and delicate family matters can be handled with discretion.
Could you share an example where specialist handling made all the difference?
One case involved a family with business interests in India and Canada. They discovered shareholding in a listed Indian company worth over 12 crores. But the shares were still in the name of the grandfather who had passed away decades earlier. The succession trail spanned 4 heirs across 3 countries. We had to coordinate with local legal counsel abroad, prepare cross-border documentation, and establish rightful ownership under Indian law. A local agent simply couldn't have managed that level of complexity. But with structured handling, we successfully transferred the shares into the demat account along with 15 years of accumulated dividends.
That's an incredible result, and it really underlines why high value families shouldn't take chances with something this complex.
Absolutely. The larger the value, the higher the stakes. My advice to families is simple. Don't underestimate the process. Work with specialists who can give you a structured roadmap, protect your interests, and make sure your legacy doesn't get lost in bureaucracy.
If your family suspects there may be significant unclaimed shares or dividends, don't leave it to chance. At Crystal Peak Wealth, we help families and business houses recover wealth with precision, compliance, and care. Download our Wealth Recovery Roadmap for families. Link is in the description. The sooner you start, the smoother the journey will be.